Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is a simple workout and meal plan to stay fit all year long. So I'm going to quickly go through my workout and then I'm going to show you what I'm eating today and take you through a basic outline of 3 meals that I typically eat every day. So as you can see on my first set, I did weighted pull-ups, and then once I couldn't do any more with the weight, I dropped the weight and did a few regular pull-ups. I do a pull-push leg routine, and I do 2 rounds, typically 2 rounds, sometimes 3 rounds, and I do that twice a week. So you certainly don't need to use weight on any of this. I just decided to use weights this time, but a lot of times I'll do this workout with not using any weights at all. So each workout is a total of 6 or 9 sets, depending on if I do 2 rounds or 3 rounds. So it doesn't take very long at all. I do rest a few minutes between each set, so that way I have some recovery time so I'm nice and strong for my next set. So I've been doing this workout on Monday and Thursday, and then Tuesday and Friday is my cardio day. So on Tuesday and Friday I'll do a 3-mile run. And then Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday would be my rest days where I don't do an official workout, but I'm still very active. Hiking on the weekends right now in the summertime, going on long walks, and things like that. As you can see, my second set was push-ups, and I just did regular push-ups here. I like to do different variations with my hands. I do different variations like Spider-Man push-ups, things like that. But this set here was just regular push-ups and also going to max effort on each set as well. My third move was these jump squats. And on this workout, I ended up doing 2 rounds. So this workout was just a total of 6 sets. Didn't take very long, very simple, and that's all I need. Now I do my workouts at 11 a.m. generally, and I have my first meal. Today was at 1:45, and it was a big bowl of watermelon. So the way I structure my meals is the first meal is generally something like either a fruit or a smoothie. So get in that fruit meal or smoothie meal every day. It's great to start out with fruit. My second meal was a bowl of oatmeal, and I used about 2 servings of organic rolled oats. Now the thing I love about oatmeal is I put a bunch of fruit in it as well. So I got a sliced banana, sliced apple, I got blueberries, and I put in a serving of peanut butter as well. Added a little splash of almond milk at the end. I love oatmeal as my lunch option because I can do different variations of it, and like I said, I can add a lot of fruit inside it as well, and I'm a big fan of eating fruit. So oatmeal is a huge recommendation of mine because of the versatility. You can do overnight oats, you can do steel cut oats, you can do rolled oats, and there it is right there. And this is the almond milk I used. It's a simple one. It only has water, almonds, and sea salt, Califia Farm, so I'm a fan of that one. And very delicious, very filling, very satisfying. So I like that oatmeal. And then for a snack before dinner, I had some greens and some prunes. This was celery and cucumbers. Now, quite often I'll have a salad just before my main course, but sometimes I'll just keep it real simple and I'll just have greens. So recommend getting in those greens as one of the 3 meals. And then for dinner, just after that, I had a banana, an avocado, and a huge burrito. This is a veggie burrito. It had rice, beans, and vegetables with some salsa as well. So get in that starch meal. That's a good dinner option. Of course, there's a lot of variations on it, but like I said, a basic structure. You got your fruit meal, you got an oatmeal, you got a lot of fruit there. You can have greens, and then a starch meal for dinner. It's a basic outline I follow most of the time. It works really well. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box. I have some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.